how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal cancelled. Now I'm gonna explain why this happens. Usually your Bitcoin withdrawal is gonna get cancelled because you have not fully verified your identity. What we can do about it is to click on our profile icon in the top right corner, and if you see this button, verify your identity, you will need to submit all of your personal information such as your full name and a government issued document such as ID, driver's license, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and also sometimes it is going to ask for photo proof, which is basically just going to indicate that that is in fact you. Now, if you don't see verify your identity, then what we have to make sure is also not being surpassed are the limits here. If you click on limits, you will see your current limits. So here you will be able to see your cash limits and also Bitcoin limits if you have Bitcoin enabled. So make sure you don't surpass the Bitcoin limits as well. If all of this is correct, then you can go and click on support. Here you will search for Bitcoin cancelled, written like this, and you will see canceling a Bitcoin payment. It is going to tell you that it is irreversible, so you can't reverse it and you can't cancel it. But if you need any further help, and let's say that you are trying to withdraw Bitcoin and it's not letting you, you will click on chat, and here you will click on see more transactions, and then you will choose the transaction of Bitcoin which was not completed, and they will further assist you with this issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.